What's up guys, it's Jake with BulletSafe. I'm here with another brand new product from BulletSafe Bulletproof Vest. Now we just unveiled the VP4. We got another new treat for you guys. Before I show you exactly what it is, I wanted to give you a little bit of background on it first. Let's start off with a little bit of history on what this new product we're about to unveil is. So although the VP4 can be worn both externally or concealed underneath a work shirt, a polo, a uniform shirt, you name it, we are still receiving constant requested feedback from you guys asking us for a vest that is designed to be concealed and as minimalistic as possible. So you've probably figured it out by now. We are here to unveil the newest vest in the BulletSafe VP4 line. Happy to introduce the BulletSafe Concealable Vest. And if you haven't figured it out by now, I've actually been wearing a concealable vest this entire video. Without further ado, here it is, the newest vest from BulletSafe. Let me get this thing off and give you guys all the details. As I mentioned a little bit earlier, this is the next edition within the BulletSafe VP4 line, meaning that it's got the increased shooter's cut that improves the mobility for the user, and it's the same shape as the VP4 vest. Now with that in mind, in order to maximize the concealability, we made some drastic changes not only to the carrier, but also to the construction of the armor panels themselves. Right out of the box, you're gonna notice it is insanely flexible and insanely pliable. It's only gonna get better with time. We achieved this by increasing the amount of layers of aramid material at the front of the armor panel and decreasing the layers of ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene at the rear of the panel. That's a bunch of fancy words just to tell you this thing is extremely flexible, and it's got an insane ability to contour to the shape of the user's body while also maintaining that NIJ certified Level IIIA protection. Along with the changes to the armor panels, we wanted to continue to increase the concealability. We went ahead and used an extremely low profile Velcro, as well as seamless attachment points for the Velcro and a seamless outer edge of the carrier. Now this all goes into playing in maximizing the concealability by making sure that whenever the vest is worn beneath a piece of clothing, the edges or the attachment points aren't printing or showing through that outer layer. To increase the overall personalized fit for each user and to make sure that the vest contours to the shape of their body as best as possible, we're also starting to use two different straps here on the abdominal Velcro region, which again, make sure that we're maximizing that concealability of the vest. This allows you to determine the best points possible to make sure that vest is snug against the wearer's body. You're not printing, you're not projecting that you are in fact wearing a bulletproof vest. And last but not least, I don't know about you guys, but I'm here in Texas. It's summertime. It is ridiculously hot outside. So I know if I'm wearing a vest underneath clothing, I want to make sure that it's comfortable for you guys out there that are actually wearing this out in the field. So what our product development team did was design a jersey mesh material here on the inside. They've also incorporated an airflow channel which goes down the center of the chest as well as the user's spine, which makes sure that there's constant airflow even with the vest underneath your first layer of clothing. Make sure that the airflow is continuing to move, that way it doesn't get extremely uncomfortable. As always, we've got all the pricing, we've got the specs, we've got a customer service team that's happy to help with any questions you may have, all on our website, www.bulletsafe.com. I'm Jake with BulletSafe. Y'all stay safe out there.